Hello and welcome back to another NHIG video. In this video we're going to look at a handle weld. Handle welds are typically seen on fly presses and other industrial era equipment. As you can see, it's quite a chunky weld with little effort to blend in. This provides more mass. The weld is ancillary to the handle being connected to a shaft. We're going to be creating this handle weld from two lengths of 16mm round bar. To start with, we will upset the handle itself. Please see the video on upsetting for further details on this. And the upset itself is formed roughly square. Before being gently tapered in the same manner as you would with a cleft weld. Because we are not scarfing these components together, I will spend a little bit of time to clean up and square off the base of the upset in order to provide a neater finish. And here is the handle component. We will then head over to the vise and carefully split the component, split the upset down the centre. The split is quite shallow, as you can see. However, we are going to move onto a hardy hot set and simply hammer down on this in order to deepen this split. I will then do a little bit of dressing. And then I will replace the hot set with a fuller. The bar is driven down onto this in order to give the base of the split a rounded aspect and open up the cleft a little. If you find distortion has occurred, you can rest your piece on the fuller and straighten it by hitting sideways. Once I've started opening it up, I will move to a bigger fuller and simply upset down on it in order to create an opening which will fit onto the bar. The next stage will be to weld the two components together. This is fairly straightforward. I will start an upset weld. You can see I have a little bit of distortion here which can be straightened out later. And once it's welded in place, I will close the cleft and weld it shut like so. And here we have the handle welded in place. This is useful for gate bolts, fly press handles, etc. Thank you for watching.